Centre in the Arataki Ranges, and we are going to do the nature trail.
Yeah, I mean, good fun to get out and explore with Gaia. She absolutely loves being in the backpack, so it'll be a good trek for her.
We went up to the lookout at the visitor centre. It is epic. I definitely you want to get going? Yeah, I definitely recommend coming out even just to go to the lookout. The views were incredible, way better than I expected, so worth the drive just for that. But here we go.
Gaia really isn't particularly happy with being in the backpack this time.
So we've brought her gumboots and we're going to let her get out and do some walking, and we'll see how this goes. I think one thing that parenting has taught me is to slow down and not be in such a rush, and nothing goes as planned. What we thought would be a 30-minute walk with Gaia in the backpack is going to probably be a much longer, slower walk. Got to try and enjoy these moments and savour how special they are and the memories that we're making and how much fun it is for Gaia. This is so cool and exciting, and yeah, there's Josh up there. We're never going to get there.
Not at all. Send help. The problem, Gaia wasn't on the right back.
To a clearing. There was no sign which way to go. It was a three ways you could go, and we've chosen the way that goes up. Hopefully it's the right way, but who knows. Where have we got to, Josh?
A dead end!
We chose the wrong path. Not the fittest that I have ever been, so that's another reason why we're trying to get out more and do active things as a family, set a great example for Gaia, and to set a good example for Gaia, and to get fit so we can enjoy life as a family with a toddler. It was touch and go there for a while, got lost a few times, should have got a map. Keep flying! We made it to the end.